Yes, how may I help you? A table for two, please. My sister's coming. Okay, just over there. Over here, ma'am. Why, thank you. No problem, ma'am. Just tell me when you need me. She better not be late. Yeah, and then she was like, "Are you kidding me? I can't believe I can't believe he stuck a cap in his mouth and choked on it." I know, right? She was like Petra moment. Really? No one? Sarah. Working part-time is not good. Why do I have to be short on money? Here's your bread and grapes. Thanks. Thank you. No problem. Ooh. Well, hey, come back! Ma'am, you've been waiting here for the past minute, and can I just take your order? Sure. I'll have anything on the menu, okay? All right. Hey, the TV's on.
As well as camels being raped.
Commercials these days. Why do they have to turn on the TV so loud?
Order now.
Sarah? Oh no, not this again. Hey. People these days. I suck at this job. Sarah? Hey, give me an explanation!
You have the different voice. All the people have different voice, so don't worry.
What? The one... coming through!
But it's okay because we don't live in Trevor.
Wait, someone's having a seizure! I'm coming, person!
I can handle it.
Wait!
Okay, I'm back.
Are you okay? What's going on here?
I want the necklace.
Hey, stop! You can't, Come on, get! Sir, are you okay? Are you okay, sir? This necklace is expensive. I'm not gonna let her get off the loose. Hey, I think we should leave, probably.
Seriously? We are not gonna leave.
Who is that?
Did you know?
What? Ow!
I am. I'll talk about later.
Oh gosh, she's having a seizure! Oh wait, did everything just fall? And that is why we do not go to random restaurants anymore. Nice job, Sarah. So let me get this straight. You and Clary went to a random restaurant you found on the internet just because you were low on budget. You could possibly say so. Hey, I know there's one restaurant that we can go. No, Liz, just no. But I think it's great. Come Come on, let's go. Ah, wait! And like 400 years till retirement. Great. Well, better go see Sarah.